folks, it is 25 degrees. I just came in to check in on the new build really quickly. We are back in Eisenhower Park for this brand new construction. You can see what's going on. They already have the roof, the sidings. So you can basically see the layout at this point of the house. Obviously, this is where the garage goes. So this is the door, the front door. You come in, and I think this is an office if I'm not mistaken. And this is the garage originally that you saw from the outside. And then you kind of head over here. I want to say this might be the kitchen because this over here is a fireplace. And they already have windows in, which is awesome. They started to do some of the plumbing, so like rough mechanical, hello.
And of course, if you are interested in finding out how to get inside one of these brand new homes, shoot me an email, info@brokergayane.com, and we will get you taken care of. Until then, my name is Brokergayane, and I will see you all next Wednesday.